Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna telling you how to make slime. You just do it with laundry. You can do a tie, and you need white glue. I don't have it because I used it for my project, and I only need a little bit. And you can add glitter. First, you put the glue, then you put this that is right there. Then you have to mix it up for 20 seconds. You have to do it one more after 20 seconds. You grab it with your hands, and then no. First you put the glue, and then you put the glitter, and then you put this or tie, and then you mix it up for 20 seconds, and then you do it one more time, and then you're done. Don't do it 20 seconds again. Just do it once. And then you have to grab it with your hand, and then you think if it's ready. If it's not ready, you can add a lot of it. This one, I add a lot of glitter, and it's so stretchy. And you should check out my other videos. And I hope you like this video, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below what else videos I can do. Bye.